Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds.
In today's Other People's Junk, we'll take these two old windows, turn one into a mirror and one into a sea glass background, and they'll both be coat hangers. Stick around.
You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be
These two windows from the Restore a few months ago, and the first steps give them a good cleaning.
Shake each one for 2 minutes. Here we go. My workout for the day. This is a long time to shake. It's only been 20 seconds. Bree, did you really shake for 2 whole minutes? Please. Maybe just say that so you do it for 1. Your turn, dancer. No? Well, you know what? I'm a dancer. I'll get right here, of course. My shadow dancer. 5 light coats. Sounds like nail polish. Ooh, pretty.
Picked up these two cool Krylon spray products off Amazon. I will put the links in the description.
So it's cool. My advice would be make sure you have no streaks in your glass, which is hard when it's old glass, so that you don't have streaks in your window. But we're going to go with it because it's supposed to be old. And old mirrors are pretty streaky and pretty spattered looking. So let's move on to the next step.
I left my windows outside to dry, and we had an unexpected rain shower. It rinsed off some of the paint, and I was left with this effect. I decided to go with it. I could have actually wiped it all off, but I thought it actually looked more authentic this way. Happy accident. The sea glass one ended up being dry and fine. Would you have kept it, or would you have redone that mirror spray? Tell me in the comments below. The sea glass window is getting a coat of Sandy Tan's Junk Monkey paint, and the mirror one is a custom blend that I mixed of Junk Monkey green colors.
Feels like I can fly.
I'm not a good taper, so I always opt to clean my windows with a razor blade and some window spray, and it comes off really easily for me. Tell me, do you tape it off, or do you do the scrape method like me?
Here's the beachy one. After 2 coats of Sandy Tan toes, we'll clean this one up and figure out if we're going to put a stencil on it or what. 2 coats, that chippy mirror. I will take a razor blade and some Windex and clean up that mirror, and then we will figure out what transfer we're going to put on it. Stay tuned.
Quick sand with my D-Bar Orbital to age them up with some 2-tone stencil.
My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. Until you save me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high.
Time to gussy these old gals up with some transfers and a stencil. This sunflower transfer is from Redesigned by Prima. I sell it on my site, and I'll have a link in the description. Putting transfers on glass is not the recommended way, but it does work well. You just have to really burnish it. That's what I'm doing here with my fingers, or you can use a cloth or the back of the backer that the transfer comes on, and just use light dusting. Don't put spray on it after you put a transfer on a mirror or a window, and you'll be all set.
Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you'll be in over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said something brand new.
So this one goes into the wall, it stays there, and this one goes on the back of the piece, and they slide together and it can hold it up.
Who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
Now it's time to stencil the other window. I'm using Be My Honey by Junk Monkey Paint to make some sunflowers with this old stencil that I've had for years. It's huge.
Don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
Junk Monkey Paint is my go-to. You can pick up a can or 5, 6, 7 at rusticrehabs.com. Also at Poppy and Thyme Boutique in Menominee Falls, Wisconsin. Here I'm going in with some candy bar brown for the sunflower seeds.
Don't need someone to save me. No, and don't come running and blame me. From miles away, I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk. I think you said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't
Adding leaves with a little lucky clover green.
I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much?
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these window upcycles as much as I enjoyed making them. Both the pieces sold the weekend that my daughter and I had our booth at Memorial Fest in our town in Menominee Falls. It was a great adventure with the two of us hanging out. Please visit rusticrehabs.com for more ideas, paints, products that I've used here. And thank you so much for supporting my small business and my family. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks much.
This moment, can we stay here forever?